Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. This is Shefali Singla, and in today's session we will learn that how to construct the binary tree if you are given with two traversals. So basically what sort of questions can be asked on the basis of this topic? They'll give you pre-order, and directly or indirectly they'll give you the in order, and you have to find out the post order, or post order with in order will be given to you and you have to find out the pre-order. So to return the answer, to return the required pre-order or post-order, you need to construct the binary tree first. So we will be learning that concept through questions. And also I'll discuss that why in order is mandatory along with the pre-order and the post-order. Before starting with the session, let's talk about what this Envision batch is. So Envision batch basically targets on GATE 2021. So in this session daily, we are having 7 sessions of 1 hour each duration. This is one of the English batch course. And to join the sessions, live sessions, you can subscribe for our channel. That's Let's Crack It CSE. And as you can see that 7 subjects are currently going on, and I'm covering the concepts of data structures and programming. So if you want to attend the live sessions on data structures and programming, you can daily join the session from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Why I had started with the concepts of data structures and programming, as this is one of the very important subject from GATE as well as from placements point of view. So that's why I had started with the concepts of data structures and programming. And parallelly on the special classes, I'm covering the concepts of computer organization and architecture. And one peak YQ series is going on because we had the sessions on digital on YouTube. You can check out for the playlist, but if you want to attend the live classes on the previous year questions in which each and every question is being discussed, so for that you can follow my Unacademy profile link, which is given in the description box, and to join the free classes you can use the referral code, that is Shefali. And to to follow the sessions, you can download the app, that is Unacademy Learning app, which is available on both the Play Store and the Apple Store. By downloading this app, you can access the free sessions, paid sessions, you can participate in the live quizzes, you can attempt the test, mock test, and so on. So these are the benefits. As a learner, you have to download the Learning app because the other app is for the educators. That won't help you out much at this point of time. Hi, good evening Lovejeet. मैम कल और परसों क्लास थी क्या? नहीं बच्चे, कल और परसों क्लास नहीं थी. कल के लिए तो मैंने छुट्टी आपको काफी टाइम से हॉलीडे बताया हुआ था, दैट ऑन 11th of January 11th of December we will not be having any session, and on 10th we had some event, so that's why we didn't had session kal aur parso. Okay, so in order to follow the free special classes, profile link is given below, and if first time you are referring to the session, so you don't forget to apply the referral code. This referral code is required in order to unlock the free plan. Okay, so free plan में बच्चे quizzes भी हैं और sessions भी हैं definitely. So don't forget to apply this referral code. And in case if you want to cover the 100% syllabus in detail, then you can go for one of the plan according to your requirement, whatever suits you. So we have 2 types of subscriptions, Plus subscription and Iconic. Plus is our basic plan to get started with, and Iconic takes your preparation level to the next level with the help of personal coach. So first of all, we'll be discussing the benefits of Plus and Iconic, both the common benefits. So the very first one is, by getting the subscription, you will be able to access unlimited interactive live classes which are taken by India's best educators. Interactive live classes का मतलब क्या है? During the sessions, you can interact with the educators wherever you are finding a difficulty. It's just like an offline classroom coaching. Wherever you are having a difficulty, you can ask for your query. Same is the case here. And apart from that, structured courses and PDFs will be provided to you. Live tests and quizzes are also included in the Plus subscription. And there are a few queries related to, ma'am, if we have missed any live session, then in that case you can follow the recorded sessions. और जो भी आपकी queries होंगी, that will be handled during the doubt solving sessions. So these courses, Plus and Iconic, are designed in such a way that every 4th session will be a doubt solving session or a practice session. So whatever queries you will be having, those will be handled during the doubt solving sessions. And along with these benefits which are available in the Plus subscription, we have additional benefits available in the Iconic. So the first one is additional benefits. First one is you will be getting a guidance from the personal coach so that easily you can identify that where you need to put in the more efforts, and this will help you to score well in the GATE exam. Personalized test analysis would be done. Study planner will be provided to you along with the preparatory study material. One of the major benefit of getting the Iconic subscription, this preparatory study material includes the complete material along with the daily practice problems. So this is about the benefits of the Plus and the Iconic. If we talk about the subscription plans under Iconic, we have two plans, 1 year and 2 year. 1 year subscription plan is for 50,250 and 2 year is for 74,000. But if you are going to apply this referral code, you will be getting 10% discount. And also you will be added to my group. So this means that for 1 year Iconic subscription, you have to pay 45,225, and for 2 years, you have to pay 66,600. So if you observe here, the duration gets double but not the fee. Approximately for the second year you have to pay 21,000. So what are the additional benefits if you are going to pay 21,000 rupees extra? So the first thing is, in this case, this plan is beneficial for the students, those who are going to start their preparation at the early stage. Early stage का मतलब क्या है? While you are in the first year, second year or third year of BTech. So additional benefit क्यों है? Why you need to start your preparation at the early stage or as early as possible? Because you will get sufficient time for the practice, which will directly impact your GATE score, as well as you can perform well in the semester exams. Reason is, whatever GATE syllabus is there, it includes the core technical subjects of your branch, which are included in the university curriculum and taught in the second year and third year of BTech. So this means that without putting in extra efforts, you can perform well in the semester exams. Along with this, as you know that third year students can also write the GATE paper. So write the GATE paper when you are in the third year with 100% preparation. Agar ऐसे चलते फिरते देना, it's of no use. So give your 100%, give your best and write the paper and see what score you are getting. And whatever score you are getting, if you are satisfied with that, anyhow that is going to be valid for the next 3 years. So if you are satisfied with that, then that's good. And by any chance, if you are not if you are not satisfied with your GATE score, you want to improve your GATE score, so in that case you can again write the GATE paper when you will be in the fourth year. Apart from this, if you are interested in the placements, then also this will help you out, because placements में बचे पहली चीज 7th semester में companies do visit for the placements. So if you have cracked the GATE paper in the third year, that means when you are in the 6th semester, so you can include your GATE score in your resume so that it gets shortlisted, and after that you have to go through the written round, you have to go through the coding round, as well as the placement in the interview round, technical or the non-technical interview. So what all subjects are important from placements point of view, which are the practical subjects, core subjects of your branch. Hi, good evening Shweta. Correct? So the very first subject is data structures and programming. जहाँ पे भी बच्चे coding आता है तो आपको समझ में आता है कि programming is required. So you should have a good knowledge of data structures and programming concepts. This subject is also important from GATE point of view, because this is having the highest weightage among all the technical subjects, algorithms, and apart from this, DBMS. These subjects are important from all the three, are important in all the 3 rounds, and apart from this, you may get multiple choice questions from operating systems, computer networks, and aptitude. So if you have prepared for the GATE syllabus, this means that directly or indirectly you are prepared for the placements as well. Hi, good evening Vaishnavi. Right? And also this will help you in the PSUs, as many of the PSUs are directly recruiting on the basis of GATE score. If not, they are taking their paper. So the syllabus will be much similar to the GATE syllabus. So you need not to put in extra efforts to crack PSUs. And apart from this, if you want to join the crash course, or you don't want the guidance from the personal coach or something like that, you can do it on your own, then in that case you can refer to the Plus subscription. So for the revision purpose to join the crash course, or if you want to cover few subjects, not the whole syllabus, then you can go for 1 month, 3 month or 6 month subscription. But if you want to cover the whole syllabus in detail, then I'll suggest that go for at least 1 year subscription. So under Plus, we have 1 year, 1.5 year and 2 year subscription plans. This is the fee structure as you can see on the screen. For 2 years, you just have to pay 39,600. For 18 months, you have to pay 34,650. This is after applying the referral code, right? So it's on the screen. If you want to get to know more, you can fill out the query form, feedback form, which is whose link is given in the description box, so that we can get in touch with you. All right. And the benefits are for your reference. It's written in the description box. So just go through it once. So shall we start with the session? And those who want to join the special classes and अभी तक आपने कोई भी class attend नहीं की है, तो first instance में they'll be asking for the referral code. So you guys can join, you can use the referral code, that is Shefali. All right. So let's crack it. Let's start with the session. So as you know that today's session is based on the binary tree construction. So this means that you will be given with the traversals. So if I talk about the tree traversals, in this we have covered the pre-order. If tree is given to you, you can find out the pre-order, in order and the post order. These names are relevant to the position of the root node because root node is the unique node. So that's why tree traversals are also unique for any binary tree. So pre-order means it's based on the position, name is based on the position of the root node. Pre ka matlab ke root will be visited before visiting the subtrees. So that is root left subtree, then it will be visiting the elements of the right subtree. In means left subtree, in between the subtrees, root and right subtree. Post means after visiting the subtrees, root will be visited. So anybody having any doubt on these traversals? We had done sufficient practice, so I just hope that there will be no doubt. So apart from this, now we have to construct a tree. So everywhere you have read that in order to construct the tree, you need pre-order plus in order to construct the unique tree, or post order plus in order will give you a unique binary tree. So obviously if you will be getting a unique binary tree, so the required traversal, for example pre and in order is known here, so unique post order you can find. If post order and in order is given to you, then also you can find out the unique pre-order. But if pre-order and post order is given to you, then in that case you won't be getting unique binary tree. This will give you the unique binary tree. So if unique binary tree you have obtained, definitely you'll get the unique sequence, right? So why is it so? Why there's a partiality with the pre-order and the post order? Let's understand that. Let's assume that pre-order is given as A, B and C, and post order is given as C, B, A. Okay, let's try to construct the tree. If a pre-order ka matlab ke first of all root is visited, so obviously A will be the root. For the tree, you'll get post का मतलब क्या है, root की जो position है that is at the end. For pre, root position is at the beginning. So this clearly says that A will be the root. After that, we need to visit B. So B can be visited and then C. If you try to find out the post order for this tree, it will be CBA because I already discussed the easiest approach to find out the post order. That is, if multiple leaf nodes are available in the tree, then always take out the first leftmost leaf node. So every time you have to take out the leftmost leaf node and finally you will get the post order. So CBA, this will be the post order. Another tree, A is a root node. You can get B and then C. Similarly, for pre-order and post-order, this is the possible tree. Another possibility is A, B and C. Correct? So this means that we are not getting unique binary tree. Not getting unique binary tree if the pre-order and the post-order is given to you. What is the reason behind that? Because pre and post के case में you can just identify the nodes, you can just identify the root node based on the first or the last position. But if A is the root node, what about this B and C? How you will get to know that? How will you identify that whether the B and C are the elements of the left subtree or are the elements of the right subtree? We don't know that, right? So because of this reason, similarly in case of post order, A is the root node. What about the C and B? Whether both are present in the left subtree or in the right subtree, one is present on the left, other is present on the right. We can't distinguish between the elements of the left subtree and the right subtree. So this is the reason that why we are not getting unique binary tree. Make sense? So in order to overcome this, तो left subtree में कितने elements और right subtree में elements कितने? If you can uniquely identify the root node, आपको पता चल गया A is the root node. So whatever elements are present on the left of root, those will be the elements of the left subtree, and the elements which will be present on the right of the root, those will be the elements of the right subtree. So this means that clearly we can distinguish between the elements of the left subtree and the right subtree. Now question arises is only one sequence sufficient to identify? No. If Inorder is given to you, how will you identify that which is a root node? Root node की position कौन बताएगा? Pre-order and post-order. And how many elements are present in the left side or on the right side? That will be identified with the root node. So in order to distinguish the elements of the left subtree and the right subtree, Inorder is must. And in order to uniquely find out the root node of a tree, pre-order and post-order is must. So that's why pre-order and Inorder will give you a unique binary tree. Post-order and Inorder will give you a unique binary tree. Is this clear to everyone? Yes? So let's take one example. Let's try to construct the binary tree. In this case, it is saying that A is, in the pre-order, A is the first node. This means that A is the root node of the tree. So you got the root node. We got the root node, and here is the root node. Now after this, 6 more elements are there. So how many elements will be on the left or right? That will be identified by the Inorder. So जितने भी elements A के left में हैं, those will be the elements of the left subtree. So we got D, B and E. And the elements which belongs to the right subtree are present on the right side of the root, that is F, C and G. Now among these 3 elements, which will be the root? So consider these 3 elements. It's BDE, DBE, CFG. This is another group. So these are the elements of the left subtree. These are the elements of the right subtree. Which one is coming first? B is coming first. This means that B will be the root of left subtree. So B will be the root. B will be the root. D or E will be the child of B. So D is present on the right, on the left of B. So this goes to the left of B, and E is present on the right of B. E is present on the right of B. Similarly, among C, F, G, C is coming first. Pre-order means first of all, whatever node is coming, that is the root node. Then the elements of left subtree and then the elements of right subtree. So C is coming first among these 3 elements. So C will be the root. And C के left में what is present? F is on the left of C. So F is on the left of C and G is right on C. Left or right में कौन से elements are in? That is decided by the in order. So what tree we have got? We got A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now easily you can find out the post order. Pre-order is given to you, in order is given, so we can find out the post order. What will be the post order? Every time you have to take the leftmost leaf node. So 4 leaf nodes are there, D, E, F, G. Which one is the leftmost? It's the D. After that, B is not the leaf node. E, F, G are the leaf nodes. E is the leftmost, E. Next, D and E are deleted. B is leaf node, F, G. B, F, G means B is the leftmost, B. This is the internal node. Then we get F, G, C and A. You know that how to find out the post order. I had discussed 2 approaches to find out to return the post order. So I hope this is clear to everyone. So this is how binary tree is constructed from pre-order to in-order. I have taken a very simple example just to explain the concept. We'll be doing sufficient practice so that you get the confidence. This is one of the very important concept from trees to construct the binary tree from the given pre-order. In-order is must. If sometimes they'll give you a question like they'll say that consider the pre-order of the given binary search tree. What will be the post order? Now students are like in order is missing, so we can't find out the post order. See, it's clearly given that in order given order is the pre-order of the binary search tree, and we know that if a tree is a binary search tree, its in order is always the ascending order, right? Next question. So I'll be taking 2 more problems on the construction of the binary tree from pre-order and in order. Then we'll be discussing that how to construct the tree from post order and in order. For this tree you have to ultimately return the post order. So just try it once if you can return the answer. I want you to return the post order for the given sequences. So pre-order is given. This means that first position will give you the root element. A is the root element. A is present here. So the remaining elements will be on the left. Among these elements, B is coming next. So next 4 elements are, these are the elements of left subtree. So B is coming next. बच्चे मैं अब यहाँ पे पूरी notes नहीं लिख रही हूँ, like I have written here. So you can follow this approach, but in order to speed up, you need not to write this, just observe here. Among these 4 elements, B, F, H, D, B, D, F, H, and these are the elements of the right subtree of, left subtree of A and right subtree of A. So B is coming next. B is the first element, so B will be the next root. Right subtree में root क्या होगी? It will be C, because C is coming first. What about the remaining 3 elements? F, H and D. F, H and D में से D is coming next, and these elements are present where? All the elements are present on the right of B. So D, तीनों elements कहाँ पे आएंगे? On the right, and among these 3 elements D is coming first, so D will be the next root. कोई problem तो नहीं आ रही है? Or should I write all the nodes and then we have to discard it? Directly can you write? It's D. Now F and H are the remaining elements. These are present on the left of D, so both will be on the left. But left में पहले कौन आ रहा है? F. So F will be the root. Last element is H. H is present on right of F, so it will be a part of the right subtree. FHD should be there instead of D. Yes, okay. Let me write this properly. So if A is the root node, BFHD will be on the left, CGIE will be on the right. Among these elements, B is coming next. So BFHB will be the next root. FHD will be on the right because these are present on the right side of B. FHD. FHD may say which one is coming first? D is coming first. So D will be the next root. F and H are present on the left of D. So these will be present in the left subtree. F and H. Hi, good evening Durga Mahesh. Good evening Udesh. So this is F and H. Now among F and H, which will be the root? Root element kaun sa hoga? That will be decided by pre-order or post-order. Left or right side ke elements kaun se honge? That will be decided by the in-order. So among F and H, which will be the root node? So for that we need to refer to the pre-order. Among F and H, F is coming first, so F will be the next root. F will be the root. H will go to the left subtree or right subtree. That will be decided by the in-order. H is present on the right of F, so this means that H will be the element of the right subtree. Good evening Sheila. Clear? Similarly, same concept you have to apply on the elements of the right subtree. So CGIE, A के right में कौन से elements है? CGIE. Now among these four elements, which will be the root element? Whatever element is coming first, that is C. So C is the root. Now these elements will be the part of the left subtree, right subtree, or something like that. So in this case, we need to refer to the in order. So all the three elements are present on the right side of the C. So these will go to the right subtree. G, I and E. Again, we need to find out the root node. So among these elements, E is coming first. So E will be the next root. And G and I are present on the left hand side. So this goes to the left hand side. Again, two elements are available. Which one is coming first in the pre-order? That is G. So G is the next root. And I is present on the right of G. So this will be the right child. But what I was doing here, instead of constructing this, I was directly writing here. What approach I was following? See, on the right of A, four elements are there. So these are the four elements. Which one is coming first? That is C. So C will be the next root. Remaining elements are on the on the right side. So among these three elements, which one is coming first? E is coming first. So E is the next element. Now the remaining two elements are on the left. Among G and I, which one is coming first? G is coming first. So we got G here, and then I is present on the right of G. So anyhow, you got this tree. Right? So directly also you can write. Now easily you can return the post order. How to find out the post order? It's always the leftmost, start from the leftmost leaf node. आपको दो approaches मैंने बताई हुए. I had discussed two approaches. One by marking the blanks, by just going with the concept of the name, and other short trick I had discussed that in order to find out the post order, just delete the leftmost leaf node first. So in this tree, two leaf nodes are available, H and I. So leftmost is which one? It's the H. Once H gets deleted, so you will be having two leaf nodes, F and I. Which one is the leftmost? It's the F. Then D. Then B. This is over. After that, A is not the leaf node, right? So go to the leaf node. Only one leaf node is available, that is I. G, E, C. This is also deleted, so E. This is the required answer. Required post order. Is this clear to everyone? If yes, I'll be giving you one more problem for your practice. For that, you have to return the answer. So choice is yours whether you want to write the nodes like this and then you will be writing the tree, or directly you can construct the tree. So whenever you will be doing sufficient practice, easily directly you can go to the direct approach. So let's take the next problem. So in this case, you are given with the pre-order and the in-order. I want you to return the post-order. Return that what will be the post-order for the given tree. Quickly return the answer for this one, then we'll be moving on to the concept of post-order and in-order. Are you all trying? Pre-order, first element will be the root. So A will be the root. On the left, we have 4 elements. On the right, we have 5 elements. So among these, B is coming first. From the right subtree, C is coming first. And B के left में 2 elements are there. And on the right, 1 element is there, that is E. F and D are on the left. Among F and D, D is coming first. So D will be the root. And F will be on the left or right. It is decided by the in order. So F is present on the left of D. So F is present on the left of D. Next, these are over. Next, C is the root node. Now on the left of C, G and I, 2 elements are there. And on the right of C, 2 elements are there. Among G and I, G is coming first. So G will be the root on the left. And among H and J, H is coming first. So H will be the root of the right subtree. I will be present where I is present on the right of G. And H is present on the right, J is present on the right of H. This is the tree. Now return the post order. Two approaches I have discussed. Let me discuss both the approaches. First one, by always taking the leftmost node. Leftmost leaf node F, E, I and J are the leaf nodes. So F will be deleted first. F. Now D is a leaf node. D, E, I, J. So D will be taken next. B is not a leaf node. E, B. This is over. After that, I is the leftmost leaf node. G is the leftmost leaf node. J, H, C and E. Other approaches for finding the post order, on the left of, in the left subtree, 4 nodes are available. 4 elements are available. This position will be taken by the left subtree elements. Then in the right subtree, 5 elements are there. Right subtree and then the root. Post order. This is approach 1. Trick. With trick we got the answer, and this is approach 2 for finding the post order. In detail, I had discussed this in the previous session also, so you can refer to that session. So in the left subtree, B is the root. B will be the root, so that will be available at the end. So among these 4 elements, B will be at the end. Now the elements of the left subtree. Left subtree mein how many elements are there? 2 elements. So D and F. D will come at the end because D is the root and F. On the right, in the right subtree only E is available. Similarly, C is the root. Among these 5 elements, C will be at the end. First 2 positions will be taken by the left subtree elements of C. So among these, G is coming at, G is the root, so that will be at the last position, and I. Similarly here, C will be at the end, H is the root, H will be at the end, and G. So this is with another approach. So anyhow, you will be getting the same answer. So choice is yours, which method you want to follow. Is this clear? Same concept we have to apply on the post order and the in order. In the pre-order, first node is giving you the root element, and in the post order, last element will be giving you the root element. Yes? Bache, any doubt? Let's move on to the construction of binary tree from post order. In the post order, we know that first of all the elements of left subtree, right subtree, and then last element will be the root element. Same concept here. जो pre-order का function था, that is done by the post order, and in order behaves in the same way. So in this case, A will be the root, last element. A will be the root element. After that, on the left, we have 5 elements. On the right, we have 5 elements. So what are those 5 elements? These are the elements of the right subtree. These are the elements of the left subtree. Among these elements, among these 5 elements, these are the elements of the right subtree, elements of the left subtree. So in the left subtree, B will be the root. Among the right subtree elements, C will be the root. Now, all the elements, how many elements will be present on the right side of C? Right side pe no element is present, so right subtree will be empty, and on the left side, all the remaining 4 elements are available, K, I, G, E. So among this, E is coming at the end, so this means that that will be the root element. Root of C ka left or right? Right mein no element is present, all the elements are on the left, so E will be the root of the left subtree. After that, you are getting G. Remaining 3 elements are present on the right of E. So among this, G will be the root. Right. Correct? Now, K and I are left. K and I are present on the left of G, and among this, I is coming at the end. So I will be the root. Left subtree root is I. Next we are getting K. K is present on the right hand side. Clearly tell me that if I am directly writing the root element, is there any problem or any confusion? If some problem is coming up, we can construct this in detail. For example, A is the root node. On the left we have B, F, J, H, D, and on the right we have E, I, K, G, C. Among these elements, C is coming at the end, so C will be the root, and all the remaining 4 elements are on the right side, so it will be on the right side, E, I, K, G. Among these 4 elements, E is coming at the end, so E will be the root, and remaining 3 elements are on the left. On the right, I, K, G. Among these 3 elements, I is coming at, among these 3 elements, G is coming at the end, so G will be the next root, I and K will be on the left. Among these 2 elements, I is coming at the end, so I is the root and K is present on the right hand side, so this will be present on the right hand side. So we got on the right of A we have C, on the left of C we have E, on the right of E we have G, on the left of G we have I, and on the right of I we have K. Similarly, we can construct here. B is coming at the end, so B is the root node. All the remaining 4 elements are on the left side. F, J, H, D. Among these elements, कौन सा element root element होगा? The element which is present at the end. That is D. So D is the next node, and all the remaining 3 elements are on the left. Are you following this concept? Very, very easy. If you have understood this concept, easily you can handle the problems. So among these elements, F is coming at the end, so F will be the next root, and J and H are on the right. J and H. Among J and H, H will be the root, and J is present on the left. Clear? So we got here D, F, H and J. For this we have to write the pre-order, because post-order and in-order was given to you. So what will be the pre-order? Pre-order means you have to go through the leftmost path. So start from the root node. Pre-order means first of all you have to visit the root. So A is the root, leftmost path, follow that path. So it comes out to be B, D, F, H, J. This path is over. Then follow the remaining elements. It will be C, E, G, I and K. So this is the required pre-order for the given post-order and in-order. Is this clear? Yes? Let's move on to the next problem. This is for your practice. So again, you are given with the in-order and the post-order. For this, you have to return the pre-order. See if you can return the answer. I want you to return the pre-order for the given sequences. What will be the root element? First of all, construct the tree. Root will be A. Okay, I give you 2 minutes. Just try and return the pre-order. Quickly return the answer. A is the root. On the left of A, we have 3 and 6 elements. 6 elements, and these are the elements of the right subtree. Among these elements, C is coming at the end. Among these elements, B is coming at the end. So left for A, left subtree elements and right subtree elements are available, B and C. Now C is the root, so on the left of C, no more element is present. A was the root of the tree. No element is present on the left of C, all the elements are on the right. So what will be the next root? Last element, that is E. E will be the root. On the left of E, all the elements are coming up, but there is no element present on the right of E. So what will be the next root? That will be F. That will be F. Now on the left of F, all the elements are there, but this is already considered. So right of F is over, so left. What will be the root node? That is J. Now on the left of J we have L, and on the right of J we have M. On the left we have L, and on the right we have M. Similarly, construct the right subtree. B is the root. B के left में no element is there. All the elements are on the right. So what will be the next root? That will be D. Now on the left of D, 3 elements are there. B is already considered. So 3 elements are there, and on the right we have G. Only 1 element is there, so obviously that will be the root node. And on the left, 3 elements are there. Among these 3 elements, which one is coming at the end? It is H. These are present on the left, so H will be the root of the left subtree. On the left of H, no element is available. Both are on the right. Which one is coming first? That is I. So I will be the next root. I. And K is present on the left of I, so K is present here. So we got the tree. Now easily we can return the pre-order. You have to follow the leftmost path. So this comes out to be A, B, D, H, I, K. I have followed this path. After that, G. This was the only node available in the left subtree, which is left out. And after that, C, E, F, C, E, F. After this, follow the leftmost leg, that is J, L, and last node N. So this is the required answer. Any doubt, any problem, any confusion? इसके अलावा बच्चे और कोई कॉम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो whenever you have to construct the tree, you will either be given with the pre-order or post-order along with the in-order. We have discussed the reason in detail why in-order is mandatory. So by using these two sequences, you have to return the third one. Reason clear है? This reason can be asked in the interview. So you should know the reason that why you won't be able to get a unique binary tree from the pre-order and the post-order. Is this clear to everyone? If it's clear, quickly give me a confirmation so that we can end the session. If you have the doubt, then I'll handle your query. Write your query in the chat section in case you have any doubt. Okay, so let's talk about the schedule. So daily we are having one session on YouTube and 2 sessions on the special. One session at 4:30 p.m. and other session at 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And YouTube session timing is 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. If I talk about the subjects that we are covering, so the subjects are on YouTube. I'm covering the concepts of data structures and programming. On the special at 4:30, we are covering the concepts of computer organization and architecture. And at 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., we have started with the PYQ series. So in this series, let me discuss the topics that we are covering. So today we have talked about the binary tree construction. Tomorrow I'll be discussing the concept of heap trees. After that, I'll be taking the practice session on trees. Practice session on trees. Then we'll start with the concept of graphs. And in COA, we had started with the pipelining. Tomorrow we will be having a practice session on pipelining. Practice session on pipelining. After that, I'll be starting with the concept of advanced pipelining. Then we'll be learning the concept of cache memory or memory organization. So whatever are the pending topics from COA, these are very, very important topics. So you can follow the sessions. And in the PYQ series, today we will be having the last session on previous year questions of sequential circuits. बच्चे आज वाले session में some questions are very, very good questions. So don't miss today's session. It's really very interesting questions I'll be taking. And after this, I'll be taking the PYQs on the number systems. Then on combinational circuits. Those who want to join the sessions, you can. And after that, we will be starting with the PYQs on the programming. So till 2014, we have discussed the questions in detail. Uske baad wale years ke questions rehte hain, so we will be covering the pending questions. So this will be the schedule and the topics that we will be covering under these slots. Hope this is clear to everyone. Those who want to join the free special classes, don't forget to apply the referral code in order to unlock the free plan. ये बच्चे referral code सिर्फ उनको apply करने हैं, those who are going to access the special classes for the first time. Those who are already attending the sessions, for them it's not required. All right. Now let's discuss the mool mantra. We know that basically success का मंत्र क्या है? That is practice. Reason, because जितने भी exams है, competitive exams है, all the competitive exams are based on three factors, that is speed, accuracy and logic, which requires constant practice from the very beginning. So you need to start your practice from day one. जैसे topic खत्म होता है, you need to solve the questions. In today's special class, I have given you few problems on the pipelining, so just try those problems and whatever concepts we have covered on the trees. So you can try the problems on the trees, and after that we will be having the doubt session or the practice session. All right. And those who want to join the crash course, this is the high time to join the crash course, because 2 months to go for GATE 2021. Schedule आ गया है for CS students. It's on 13th of February. On 13th of February 2021, we will be having the GATE paper. So do your practice. जितनी कर सकते हो उतनी करो. Mock test attempt करो. Test series quizzes में participate करो. That is very, very important. And if you are watching this session for the first time and you want to get the live links of the sessions, then you can join our Telegram group, that is Let's Crack GATE CSE. And the link of this session is, this group is given in the description box for your convenience. And if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. And don't forget to apply the referral code when you are subscribing for any plan. Be it the free plan, you want to unlock the free plan, you want to get the plus subscription or iconic subscription, you'll get the benefit and you'll be added to my group. So all the queries will be handled by me. Apart from that, if in case you have any doubt, any query in the related to any topic, you can write in the comment section, and in case of any suggestion or feedback, feel free to fill out the feedback form, and the link of the feedback form is given in the description box. And already you know that you can get a playlist on the YouTube. If you want to follow my sessions on the YouTube, you can find a playlist on operating systems, digital, data structures and programming, algorithms. CN में से IP addressing का concept खत्म किया है. All the topics are not covered yet. And on the special, a playlist on DS and programming is available, but definitely the questions are different, so don't treat it like it will be the same. And moreover, see programming concepts which are important from placement's point of view but not from GATE point of view, those are covered in the special classes. YouTube पे जो sessions available हैं, those are only on the topics which are important from GATE point of view. Okay, so in case if you want to learn the concepts of C programming in more detail, then you can refer to the special classes. Already I have shared the referral code to unlock the free sessions. And apart from this, you can get a playlist on theory of computation, computer organization, compiler design. Okay, and on the plus, you will get a complete course on algorithms. This was also including the weekly quizzes. Important types of questions were covered in the weekly quizzes. So if you have already got the subscription, then you can refer to the quizzes at least once. And if you have not got the subscription, get it now. This is the high time, because जब आप रिवीजन करते हो उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस की आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, तो better idea is get the subscription now. Okay? Complete course on algorithms, and whatever courses are available, you will be able to access the previous courses and as well as the ongoing or the current courses. All right. So any query, any doubt? Okay, seems like there is no doubt. So I'm going to end today's class here. I'll see you at 8:30. You have a break for half an hour. So just have your dinner, and then we will be solving the previous year questions on sequential circuits. Till then, take care.